My name is Ben Withers. I'm the Operation and Logistics Manager at Thomas Fox Landscaping. We're a nice family-run business. We've got about 40-odd members of staff. We do grounds maintenance, care, landscaping, tree surgery, everything to do with the outdoors. My experience with the box trailer so far has been flawless. The split rear door I've never experienced anything like it. It's fantastic in the way that it opens. The fact that it turns back on the side of the box trailer gives you the full aperture and use of the space inside, and having the ramps that drop down that are on the piston hinges makes it lightweight, very good for health and safety, and very sturdy. The functionality inside the trailer is brilliant. Everything is adjustable in terms of the racking, where we place the tools with what we use on a day-to-day basis. We've been using the trailer predominantly for dropping off to our teams on site, where I have to go off and meet customers. It's been fantastic that I can drop a whole unit off to them. They can be self-sufficient for the day and I can go about what I need to do for the day. Towing this box van is brilliant. It's the width of my vehicle, so I'm not having to worry about my road placement. It's very maneuverable, easy to reverse. It's been fantastic. The equipment that we've been using is predominantly Husqvarna in the trailer. We have an out front robotic mower to a degree for some of our rough cut banks, and then all of the electric hedge cutting and strimming gear. The Husqvarna out front with the remote control function is fantastic for some of the work that we do. I can use it on flat ground where I've got team members actually sat on the machine driving it themselves, and when we approach some tricky situations where you've got banks or steep areas that you would maybe have to worry about health and safety a little bit, I can take my operators off that, put the remote control on them, and they can carry on with their work. The box van trailer has been perfect. It's opened up the scope of work that we can do in terms of where we go, whether we want to go a little bit further afield from our normal distances. It's opened up a whole new avenue of work for us. Since losing the benefit in kind for the utility vehicle with a crew cab and a single cab, having this box trailer is a fantastic way to keep with a single cab vehicle, having that space on the back to maybe put some of your debris, but then still have the trailer to carry all the equipment and tools that you need for the day. It's been a great experience, it really has.